A warm welcome to all to Sri Iswar Innovation Challenge 2020. We all know farmers face a lot of problems in their daily life. We, Karthikeyan K. Bharat Kumar R. and myself Abhishek, along with our mentor Mr. M. Vivek Kumar of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department here to solve one such problem. As drought becomes a major problem for farmers, and the second comes the crop vandalization. Vandalization means vast area destruction or damage. The animals attack on the farmer fields is becoming a very common phenomenon in states like Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and many other. According to officials of Agriculture Department, farmers in state have been suffering crop production loss from 10 to 25 percentage in most cases and much higher in some instances. This leads to the poor yield of crops, and these animals mainly attack on the fruit orchards and destroy the flowerings. In both cases, this leads to financial loss, and also the problem is so pronounced that sometimes farmers decide to change the cropping pattern or to leave the land barren due to animal attack. Gap analysis is the gap between the projects which are similar. The earlier projects had a major problem that those were small area coverage and are not compatible. So the user has to install two or more systems in earlier projects. It just alerts the user with the entry of animals, and the manual work is needed to threaten them. But our project is a drone surveillance system which can cover a large area, and it also threatens the animals in different way and also alerts the user, so the need of manual work is completely reduced. And the other problem is it has a thermal camera which can sense a large area. Now I handed over the session to Karthikeyan K to take over the problem solutions and the special cases and the special features, and the gap analysis is done in all over India.
Myself, I am Karthikeyan. I'm here to talk about good solution use cases. As we know, the problem faced by many farmers in the world to monitor presence of animals. Our main aim of the project is to better solution to problem. The system is used to keep away any creatures from its farmland. It is fully automated. It saves time and preventing loss of crops to farmer. The system senses a signal generated by sensor detecting the presence of individual in surrounding. If any creatures enter into farmland, it triggers alarm and messages to predefined number given by user through GSM modem. After it activates thermal camera to capture picture to see creature is what kind, which type. Based on user defined data, it threatens the animal. Several species of animal can go beyond the frequencies of human being. The system, after detecting the animal and finding which animal emits the frequencies range which is given as input, and disturbs animals, and also give out signals based on the animals found to given input. These table explains several types of animal in word, and the hearing ranges vary in hertz. Some animal can hear same frequency of hertz in world. This diagram shows that Arduino UNO is 5 volt as thermal camera senses the any creatures and sends output to predefined number through GSM modem to user, also output to buzzer and light to attack creature. This session is.
Hello guys, this is Bharat. Now I'm going to share the types of customers to be benefited by this project. The targeted consumers are forest nearby forest and the owners nearby hill stations, and for the gardeners, it will also use to protect cattle from threatening. Now let us see the problems faced by the farmers and solution for those. Most of the farmers lose their sleep in order to look after the crops, but since our project is an automated one of the major depression for the farmers is due to crop loss, but this project does not cause that situation since it keeps on monitoring. Nowadays, farmers pay for labors for night monitoring, but by this project, farmers can save money. Major health problems are caused due to lack of sleep. Since our project is an automated, so it ensures that the farmers' lands are safe. Let us see unique characteristics of our project. First one is that it's a simple circuit and it's also easy to operate. Then the installation of this circuit is also easy and fast. This object can be used in any type of surfaces and any type of land, and the maintenance cost of this project is low. At last, it's an automatic one, so no.
Thank you. Thank you, Bharat Kumar. This is the process for RM. After the buying the hardware, circuit creation, and then program installation. After that, the prototype is preparing, and then finally the success. Thank you.